Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got a fantastic product to talk about, the XTEND Sport BCAA powder in blue raspberry ice flavor. If you're looking for the best BCAA powder for muscle recovery, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we dive into all the details about this product. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what makes XTEND Sport BCAA powder so special. It's not just any BCAA powder. It's the world's #1 BCAA brand, with a history of perfecting recovery since 2004. With 7 grams of BCAAs in a nature-designed and research-proven 2:1 ratio, it's designed to help you recover and perform at your best. Now, let's talk about what sets this BCAA powder apart from the rest. XTEND Sport BCAA powder is completely sugar-free, with 0 calories and 0 carbs in every serving. This means you can support your muscle recovery and growth without worrying about unnecessary sugar intake. To maximize your recovery, it's recommended to consume a minimum of 14 grams of BCAAs per day, both before, during, and after your workout. XTEND Sport also contains added electrolytes to help keep you hydrated and support your recovery. Safety is paramount, and XTEND Sport BCAA powder is proudly NSF certified for sport. An independent certification recognized by major sporting bodies like the United States Anti-Doping Agency, Major League Baseball, the National Hockey League, and the Canadian Football League. If you're tired of bland and boring BCAA powders, XTEND Sport comes in 2 mouth-watering flavors: blue raspberry ice and strawberry kiwi splash. Using XTEND Sport BCAA powder is easy. Simply mix each level scoop in 10 to 14 fluid ounces of water, shake well, and enjoy the delicious flavors while supporting your recovery. So, there you have it, folks. XTEND Sport BCAA powder in blue raspberry ice flavor is undoubtedly one of the best BCAA powders for muscle recovery and hydration available in the market. With its sugar-free formula, trusted certification, and great taste, it's a must-try for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. If you're interested in trying out XTEND Sport BCAA powder for yourself, you can find it on Amazon.com with free shipping on qualified orders. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.